Hello, my name is Ashley Bundy, and this is my mini video on DNA structure. I would like to start with some definitions. So base pairing is between two strands of nucleotides that allows for constant helix width. As you can see to your left, cytosine binds with guanine, adenine binds with thymine. Purines are a double ring structure composed of adenine and guanine. As you can see on your right, adenine and guanine match the two-ring structure. Pyrimidines is a single ring structure composed of cytosine, thymine, and in the case of RNA, uracil. To determine if it is RNA or DNA, the ribose has an O, which means it has an oxygen, so that would be RNA. Deoxy would mean the loss of the oxygen, so that would be DNA. Base stacking is the maximization of the hydrophobic interactions, which are the main force in stabilizing the double helix. Stacking squeezes the water out and forces it to interact with the backbone. Hydrogen bonding is relatively weak attractions between partially positive and partially negatively charged molecules. This is not the main force joining the two strands. As you can see to your left, guanine and cytosine bond with 3 hydrogens, and adenine and thymine bond with 2 hydrogens. The phosphate backbone is made up of the phosphodiester bonds. The phospho is the phosphorus molecule, diester is the bond with OH or O between them, and then di meaning 2, so 2 of those, and this is negatively charged. Ribose carbons, 1' attaches to the base, 2' distinguishes DNA from RNA, 3' bonds to the next 5' phosphate, and 5' has the phosphate group. Major and minor grooves, so the minor groove is the smaller one and the major groove is the larger gap. Handedness, so you can determine right-handed to left-handed. Right-handed cools up and to the right, left-handed cools up and to the left. So as you can see, both of these go up and to the left. Antiparallel is when the DNA is being added to in the opposite direction. As you can see, the 3' end is here, 3' end is here, you add to that end, so it's opposite. Salt concentration. This is the background, so what binds them together is the hydrophobic interactions that stabilize the double helix. Holding them apart is the negative bonds that cause repulsion, and then the salt will help the backbone by neutralizing the negative charges and reduces the repulsion reaction. And my sources.